Yung report po natin is Blaney-Criddle method is ito po yung ah, isa sa mga equation na para ma-solve yung irrigation sa evapotranspiration ng mga wheat, ano ba yan, mga palay, ano. So, sir, if you may wondering is, bakit wala akong camera? Ito po yan, sir, dahil wala akong camera, sir. Ito po yung mangyayari, sir. Kasi sira yung camera ko, sir. Is ito. Sira, sir. Wala akong camera, sir. Pero may microphone naman. So, yun. So, Blaney-Criddle method. Ito yung tatandaan natin na mga formulas. Okay? So, where U is seasonal consumptive use, inches in FPS units, and C centimeters in metric units. So, T is mean monthly temperature ito is given to siya. Given. And ito rin, yung P, monthly percentage of hours of bright sunshine. Yung given yan siya. Ito na naman is itong K is hindi ito given. Ay, given to. Given to siya. K, monthly consumptive use coefficient determined from experimental data. Ito yun naman yung F, monthly consumptive use factor is ito yung hindi given. Hahanapin natin yun. Depende sa ibang problems, siguro, hahanapin hahanapin to. Basta, yan. Hahanapin yan. And K or F, seasonal values of consumptive use coefficient and factor. So, next slide tayo. Ito. Sa next slide naman is, ito na yung example. Yung example na to. So, determine the evapotranspiration and irrigation requirement for wheat if the water application efficiency is 65% and the consumptive use coefficient for the growing season is 0.8 from the following data. So, sa pag ganito na problem, ah, given, given lahat sa ganito, given, given tong mean, given tong monthly sunshine, effective rainfall, yan, given to lahat. For this case, for this case of problem, given lahat. So, ito naman, paano niya pag-solve? Ito, yung sa solution. Okay. So, yung mean monthly natin is gawin natin T. Yan yung nakalagay dito eh. Yan o. T, mean monthly temperature. Yan. Tapos yung monthly percentage of sunshine is yan yung P. P, ito, monthly percentage. Tapos yung PE is, mamaya ka na. Wait, paano ito naging PE? Sige, PE na yan. Okay, PE. Ang gagawin na natin dito para makuha itong monthly consumptive factor is substitute lang. Yan yung mangyayari. Yung P sa November, gawin natin 7.20. Yan, 7.20 na yan. Tapos itong T naman is sa November is 18. So, yan. Wait, input ko lang sa calcu, okay lang. Ayun. 7.20, 4.6, and 18 plus 81.3 over 100. O, ayun. 11.81 by 52. So, round off natin yan. Magiging 82 na yan. Same scenario sa dito sa December, January, at February. Substitute mo lang tong P tsaka T dito sa formula natin yung na nakuha o nabuo. Tapos niyan is itong lahat ng monthly consumptive factor is add lahat. Yun. And pati rin itong effective rainfall, add lahat, 10.9. Pagkatapos dito naman tayo, solve natin yung seasonal consumptive use. So, ang mangyayari is K. Ano yan si K? Ito. Nandito yan si K. Ayun. Seasonal consumpted use coefficient and factor. Ayun, 0.8 siya. Ayun ang coefficient. Coefficient. Ayun, 0.8 na times 43.54 equals 34.83. And then, dito tayo sa field irrigation requirement. Ayan. Yung U natin is ito na, 34.83. And then, minus ng total PE natin, yung effective rainfall is 10.9. Minus yan. Tsaka itong efficiency, bakit yan ay 0.65? Okay. Madali rin yan. Divide na natin to ng 100. 65 divide 100. Ayun, 0.65 na. So, that give us the answer of 36.9 centimeter yung field irrigation requirement natin. So, yun lang yung report ko. Thank you, sir.